Walang istruktura, walang layo. Alam mo ba kung sino talaga ang may hawak ng bawat malaking desisyon o dumadaan pa rin lahat sa iyo? If you've ever asked yourself na normal pa ba ito, there's a business owner who asked the same thing. Tawagin natin siyang si Oscar. He runs a hardware store. No? He manages the floor, suppliers, inventory, and staffing. Yung wife naman niya na si Betty handles the finances and pricing. Kaya sa papel, magkaibang teritoryo nila, di ba? Pero 1/4, nag-review si Oscar ng kanilang numbers at may lumabas na hindi niya hinihintay. Nagbibigay pala sila ng magkaibang quote sa parehong type ng client. Oscar would give a bulk rate to a contractor in the morning. Si Betty, not knowing Oscar had already quoted, would give a different rate to another contractor that same afternoon for the exact same order size. Kaya yung ibang mga contractors, they started comparing notes. One of them stopped ordering, telling the other store that hindi sila consistent. So anong problema dito? Walang designated na tao para sa pricing decisions. Walang malinaw na rule kung sino ang nagbibigay ng discount at anong sitwasyon at sa anong klase ng client. Two good people were deciding on their own without knowing what the other had said. And naramdaman ito ng mga clients. Kaya anak, ang lesson ay ito. When a business has no clear structure for who owns which decisions, two hardworking people will fill in that gap in different ways. Kaya ang resulta is not double the effort. It is confusion that quietly costs you clients. Nawawala ang clients dahil dyan. Kaya kapag walang defined roles sa business, huwag mong sisihin ang mga tao. It's not a people problem. It's a structure problem. And that is the owner's job to fix. Let's be business-minded, Pinoy.